Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to add write protection to your thumb drive and then how to remove write protection from your USB thumb drive. So let's get into it. And we are going to use DiskPart for this. So there are many ways to open DiskPart. So the first way is to open it with command prompt. So I will just search for command prompt and then you can open this as an administrator because DiskPart requires administrator privilege. So just type DiskPart and this will start the DiskPart if you have opened this in administrator mode. Another way is to use the DiskPart itself. So if I search for DiskPart, and as you can see here we have the DiskPart. So if I click here, as you can see we have DiskPart right here, and the one that I want to use is I have terminal app. So if I easy run this terminal as administrator, it will open the terminal and then I will go to CMD and here we are. So if I type just this part here, it will start this part, and now here we will do our work. So let's the first thing we need to do is to insert your thumb drive to your system, and then we can list our disk. So just type list disk and it will display the disk that you have inserted. So I have 14 gigabytes of USB thumb drive. I want to write protect this, so I will select this, and to do that you need to just type select disk and then the disk number. So here we have 1 and 2. I want this one, so which is number 1. I will hit enter and now it is selected. Now we need to set the attributes of this. So first let's see which attributes are currently in. So if I type attributes and then disk, and if I hit enter, as you can see these are the current attribute. Let's zoom it a bit, and currently it is not read only state, not on read only state, and these are the other information. So now let's see if let me show to you that I can create files and write files to this. As you can see we have this file. So let's write protect this. So to do that, all you need is just type attribute disk and then set and read only. This will set read only attribute to this disk. As you can see, disk attribute set successfully. Now if I view the attributes of the disk, here we have read only as yes. So this means we can't write anything to a disk. So let's go back to the disk. I will go to the thumb drive. Now let's create a file. Even we don't have option to create a file, so let's try to copy a file to this. So I will copy this file, copy, and then let's go back, and if I right click and if I click on paste, let's see. As you can see we have enter action, which is remove the write protection or use another drive. The disk is write protected, so let's try again. We can't write to this because it is write protected. So that's how you can write protect your thumb drive. Now let's remove the write protection from the thumb drive. So to do that, all you need is just type attributes and then disk and then clear, and the attribute we want to clear is the read only. Now let's hit enter. As you can see, disk attribute cleared successfully. So let's go back and see if we can write something to this drive. Let's create a file and let's create text file. As you can see, we can create file. That means we can copy and do all those stuff that regularly we do. So that's how you can set write protection, and then how you can remove write protection from your USB drive. So now if I execute attribute disk, this will display the attributes of the disk currently. So as you can see, we set the read only state to null, and here we have it to yes. So this means we were having write protection, and then we remove that protection from the thumb drive using DiskPart. And if you have done this, just type exit. It will exit the list of DiskPart. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.